Welcome to Numbers World. Today we are going to solve past papers of ICATS Mathematics Contest of year 2023 for grade 5 and 6. Question number 1. Fatima was to board a flight at 8:45 hours. Her flight was to take 5 hours 20 minutes to reach the destination. But her flight got delayed by 50 minutes. At what time will Fatima reach her destination now if there is no further delay? So the flight was to take 5 hours and 20 minutes, but it got delayed 50 minutes more. So the total time it will take now will be 6 hours and 10 minutes. The flight time was 8:45 hours, so we will add 6 hours and 10 minutes into it. Now the Fatima will reach to her destination at 14:55 hours. So option C is the correct option here. Question number 2. Your sports teacher has asked you to measure the length of the cricket pitch before starting the match. Which of the following is the appropriate unit of measurement for the length of the cricket pitch? If we look at option C and D, these are very small units. It's option A, kilometer. 1 kilometer is equal to 100 meters, and usually this unit of measurement is used to measure the distance between two cities. So option B, meter, is an appropriate unit to measure the length of the pitch. 1 meter is equal to almost half of the dome. So option B is the correct option here. Question number 3. How do you write this number using digits? 66,536,629. So here for 66 millions you will write 66 and comma. Comma is representing the family name. So 536 you will just simply write 536 and comma will represent 1000. 629, so write 629. The number will be written like this: 66, 536, 629, which is 66,536,629. So option C is the correct option here. Question number 4. The following bar graph shows the information about the number of vehicles passing through a toll gate every hour from 8 a.m. to 2 p.m. The number of vehicles passed through toll gate from 9 a.m. to 11 a.m. is how much more than the number of vehicles passed through toll gate from 11 a.m. to 1 p.m. So here, if we look at the graph carefully, 430 vehicles passed from 9 to 10 a.m. and 410 vehicles passed between 10 to 11 a.m. So it means the total number of vehicles passed through toll gate from 9 to 11 a.m. is equal to 840. Similarly, 360 vehicles passed from 11 to 12 and 290 vehicles passed through the toll gate from 12 to 1. So the total number of vehicles that passed through the toll gate from 11 to 1 p.m. is equal to 650. Now we have to find out the difference, so we will subtract 650 out of 840. That is equal to 190. So option C is the correct option here. 190 more vehicles passed from 9 to 11 a.m. as compared to 11 to 1 p.m. Question number 5. These dash are stacked in a dash. If we look at all our options, option B is the correct option here. These cubes are stacked in a pyramid. Question number 6. On a map, a distance of 100 centimeters represents 5 kilometers. If a street is 750 meters long, what is the length in the map in centimeter? So 100 centimeter is equal to 5 kilometers. So we will convert kilometers into meters first. We can say that 5000 meters is equal to 100 centimeters. So 1 meters is equal to 100 by 5000 centimeters. If we simplify it, we get 1 meter is equal to 1 by 50 centimeter. Now, if the street is 750 meters long, what is the length in the map in centimeter? We can multiply 750 on the both sides of the equal. So after solving it, we get 15 centimeters. So in other words, we can say that the length of the 750 meters long street will be equal to 15 centimeter in the map. So option B is the correct option here. Question number 7. A cup is 2 by 3 full of coffee. What part of the cup must be filled with the coffee to make it whole? So out of 3 parts, 2 parts are already full with coffee. It means one part is empty. So we need 1 by 3 of the coffee to make it whole. So option C is the correct option here, 1 by 3. Question number 8. The restaurant car parking area has 24 parking spots arranged evenly in 8 rows. How many parking spots are in each row? So here we are going to divide 24 by 8, that is equal to 3. So it means there are 3 parking spots in each row. So option B is the correct option here. Question number 9. Write the following statement in mathematical terms. 3 times m with increase of 15 gives 150. Times means multiplication, increase means plus, and gives means equal. So here 3 times m means 3 multiplied by m, with increase of 15 means plus 15, gives 150 means is equal to 150. So option B is the correct representation. Question number 10. Last month the toy shop sold 210 teddy bears using a pictogram. If one teddy bear head represents 20 teddy bears, how many teddy bear heads would you use to show this information? So the total number of sold teddy bears is equal to 210 and one teddy bear head is representing 20 teddy bears. So we will divide 210 by 20, that is equal to 10.5. It means that 10 whole and half teddy bear head will represent 210 teddy bears. So option C is the correct option here. Question number 11. Anna, Sarah and Victor are building contractors. They built a room 835 centimeters wide. How wide is the room in meters? Whenever we have to convert centimeters into meters, we divide the number by 100 because 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters. So when we divide 835 by 100, that is equal to 8.35 meters. So option A is the correct option here. The room will be 8.35 meters wide. Question number 12. Can A contains 2.5 liters of juice and can B contains 3 liters 250 milliliters of juice? If the juice from both cans is mixed, then what will be the total volume of juice in milliliters? As our interest is in milliliters, so we will convert liters into milliliters. 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliters. So we will multiply the number by 1000 to convert into milliliters. So 2.5 liters can be written as 2500 milliliters after multiplying it by 1000. Then 3 liters 250 milliliters can be written as 3250 milliliters. Now we have to find the total volume of the juice in milliliters. So we will add the numbers, that is equal to 5750 milliliters, which is our option B. Question number 13. There are 500 students in a school in which 36% are girls. The difference between the numbers of boys and girls is, so first of all we will find the 36% of 500, that is equal to 180. So there are 180 girls in the school. If we subtract 180 out of the total number of students, which is 500, we get the number of boys, that is 320. Now we need to find the difference between the numbers of boys and girls. For that we will subtract 180 out of 320, which is equal to 140. So option A is the correct option here. Question number 14. What percent of 9 liters is 90 milliliters? To find that out, we will convert liters into milliliters. So 9 liters is equal to 9000 milliliters. To find out the percentage, we will divide 90 by 9000 and multiply it by 100. That is equal to 1%. So option D is the correct option here. Question number 15. The total snowfall for a town from Friday through Sunday was 34 inches. On Friday, the snowfall was 11.25 inches. On Saturday, the snowfall was 9.9 inches. How many inches of snow fell on Sunday? So here, on Friday, the snowfall was 11.25 inches and on Saturday, it was 9.9 inches. Now we are going to add to find out the total amount of snow fell on Friday and Saturday. That is equal to 21.15 inches. To find out the total amount of snow fell on Sunday, we will subtract the number out of the total, which is 34. That can be written as 34.00 because there is always a decimal at the end of a whole number, and after putting the decimal we can add number of zeros according to our need. So there are 2 digits after the decimal, so we can add 2 zeros after the decimal with 34. So here, after subtracting it, we get 12.85 inches. So the snow fell on Sunday is 12.85 inches. Question number 16. Ali has rupees 2,967.50 rupees. Does he have enough to buy an English Bulldog and an Australian Shepherd? The price of the English Bulldog is 1,048.65 rupees and the price of Australian Shepherd is 1,950.79 rupees. So here we will add the both prices to find out that how much money he needs to buy English Bulldog and Australian Shepherd. So the total is equal to 2,999.44 rupees. But Ali has 2,967.50 rupees. We will subtract the numbers to find out the amount which he needs more to buy the English Bulldog and Australian Shepherd. So that is equal to 31.94 rupees. So here option B is the correct option. No, he cannot buy English Bulldog and Australian Shepherd. Question number 17. Ahmed is 4 years old. His father is 9 times older than him and his mother is 8 years younger than the father. How old is Ahmed's mother? So Ahmed is 4 years old and his father is 9 times older than him. So we will multiply 4 by 9 to find out the age of the father, that is 36 years. As his mother is 8 years younger than the father, so we will subtract 8 out of 36, which is equal to 28. So Ahmed's mother is 28 years old. So option C is the correct option here. Question number 18. Danish took his mom out to dinner for Mother's Day. He used his credit card to pay 35.75 rupees bill. The restaurant charges a rupees 0.5 processing fee to use a credit card. If Danish pays off the balance over the next 2 months, he will pay rupees 0.96 in total interest. If Danish pays off his credit card in 2 months, how much will he pay in all for the dinner? So we will simply add his bill, the processing fee for the credit card and the interest. The total is equal to 37.21 rupees. So option A is the correct option here. Question number 19. Which family of facts is correct? So let's check our options. Option A is 2 3s are 5, which is incorrect because 2 3s are 6. Option B is 4 5s are 20, that is correct. Option C is 2 8s are 14, that is not right because 2 8s are 16. The last option is 4 9s are 50, which is also not right because 4 9s are 36. So option B is the correct one because 4 5s are 20, 5 4s are 20, 20 divided by 4 is equal to 5 and 20 divided by 5 is equal to 4. All 4 equations in option B are correct. So that is the correct one. Question number 20. Using the digits 1, 2, 3, 4 without repetition, the greatest 4-digit number that can be made is. So basically we have to write the given numbers in descending order. For that we will write the greatest number first, that is 4. After that we will write 3, then 2 and 1 will be written at the end because it is smallest of all. So the greatest 4-digit number will be 4,321. That is our option A. Question number 21. Can you guess how high is the chimney here? So if we look at the length of the chimney, it is much more longer than the things around it, like trees, piles of bricks. So, question number 22, answer the question according to the following calendar. Ahmed is hosting a party on the Saturday between the Christmas Day and New Year Eve. What is the date for the party? So the Christmas day is at 25th of December and New Year Eve is at 31st of December. So we need a Saturday between these 2 days, which is at 27th of December. So he will have the party on 27th of December. So option D is the correct option here. Question number 23. The following circle graph shows the results of a survey of 300 fifth grade students to find out where they would like to go for their class field trip. How many students would like to go to the zoo? So if we divide the circle graph into 4 equal parts, zoo is representing 25% of the circle graph. So we will calculate the 25% of the total number of students, which is 300. That is equal to 75. So option A is the correct option. 75 students like to go to the zoo for their field trip. Question number 24. A man is facing towards west and turns through 45 degrees clockwise. Again 180 degrees clockwise and then turns through 270 degrees anti-clockwise. In which direction is he facing with now? So if the man is standing at west and turns through 45 degrees clockwise, it means he is moving forward and his new direction is northwest. Again 180 degrees clockwise. Clockwise means again he is moving forward, but 180 degrees is the straight line, so it is exactly opposite of northwest, which is southeast, and turns through 270 degrees and then turns through 270 degrees anti-clockwise. Anti-clockwise means he is moving backwards. So from southeast to northwest is 180 degrees, but we have to move 270 degrees. So his new direction will be southwest. So option D is the correct option over here. Question number 25. Amna left for school at 6:25 hours. She returned home 8 hours and 15 minutes later. At what time did she reach home? So Amna left for the school at 6:25 hours and returned after 8 hours and 15 minutes. So we will add both the times. So the total time she took is 14 hours and 40 minutes. So she will reach home at 14:40 hours. Option C is the correct option here. Question number 26. Your exam will start 4 days from now. Today is Monday. What day will it be? So if today is Monday, then we will add 4 days: Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. So exam will be on Friday. So option C is the correct option here. Question number 27. Part of the rectangle below is shaded. Which of the following pairs of shapes can cover the unshaded part of the rectangle completely without any overlap? So if we look at all our options, option A and B are not suitable because a rectangle will not fix with this type of triangle. In option C, with this right angle triangle, we need a rectangle, not a trapezium. So option C is also not right. The option D has the perfect pairs of shapes that can cover the unshaded part of the rectangle without any overlap. So D is the correct option here. Question number 28. Ali visited an amusement park last weekend with his family. The below given bar graph shows the rides Ali went on. Ali's little sister didn't like the merry-go-round very much, so she went on it half as many times as Ali did. She rode every other ride the same number of times as her brother. In total, how many times did Ali's little sister go on the rides? So here, let's count the total number of rides for Ali. He went on merry-go-round 4 times. He took water ride 5 times, roller coaster 7 times, swing ride 3 times, and Ferris wheel 1 time. So the total number of rides Ali took is equal to 20. So his sister didn't like merry-go-round a lot, so she took it half times as Ali did. So half of 4 is 2, and she rode every other ride the same number of times as Ali did. So the total number of rides Ali's sister took is equal to 18. So option B is the correct option here. Question number 29. Ali went to buy bricks. The price was given for 1000 bricks. The prices were also different for different types of bricks. Old bricks, rupees 1200 for 1000 bricks. New bricks from Lahore, rupees 1800 for 1000 bricks. New bricks from Kasur, rupees 2000 for 1000 bricks. Ali decided to buy the new bricks from Kasur. He bought 3000 bricks. How much did he pay? So he wants to buy the new bricks from Kasur. The cost of these bricks is rupees 2000 for 1000 bricks. As he wants to buy 3000 bricks, so 2000 multiplied by 3 is equal to 6000. So the total cost which he has to pay is rupees 6000 rupees. Question number 30. A track coach creates an obstacle course for his team. The coach plots the locations of 3 obstacles on the coordinate plane shown below. Each unit on the coordinate plane represents 3 yards. A student starts at obstacle A, then runs south to obstacle B, and then runs west to obstacle C. What is the total distance in yards the student runs to get from obstacle A to obstacle C? So if we look at the obstacle A and C, there are 7 units between these two, and each unit is of 3 yards. So we will multiply 7 by 3, that is equal to 21 yards. Now from obstacle B to obstacle C, there are 10 units and each unit is of 3 yards. So 10 threes are 30. We are going to find out the total. 30 plus 21 is equal to 51. So students have to run 51 yards from obstacle A to obstacle C. Option C is the correct option here. I hope you liked my video, so don't forget to like and comment on it and subscribe my channel. See you next time.